Hey everybody, for those who doesn't know me yet, I'm Anderson Arruda. I'm software engineer and DevOps for more than 20 years right now, and today I'm going to present to you guys a really incredible tool. I like it very much. That's the name of the tool is Husky. What's the purpose of Husky? What is the idea? You know. So Husky interacts with Git hooks and allow us to add layers on the Git behaviors, right? So for example, if we want to run automatic tests before push some commit to the origin, Husk is the tool you guys want to use it. So yeah, with no more longs, let's proceed with that. Oh, this is the repository and the description of the video. You guys, we're going to be able to access that at any moment as a public repository. So let's move forward. Let's get it here. And I'm sorry, I was doing some tests before. Let's remove that. Okay, git clone this guy here. The Husky tutorial. Okay, clear npm init. Yes. Husky tutorial using pre-push layer. Yeah, it can be no test command. For now, we are going to change that. Anderson Arruda is the author. Let's use MIT, and here we want to use module, and yes, code. Let's open that. Okay. Oh, he opened in another screen. Let me fix that. Okay. Okay. Let's prepare the organization of the project. So git ignore node modules. No, just it for now. We're going to create a folder, call it source, call it tests. Yes, I think that's pretty much it for now. So math operations .ts .test.ts, and here we are going to do it later. Okay, so let's start with coding. Import describe it and expect from Jest globals, and import not add is sum all from source math operations. We are going to configure everything. Let's just move the code first, sum all. Okay. Here we're going to describe a little bit better. So let's say testing sum all function. Since it is not a class and we are not want to complicate anything here, it's just a function, right? So it test. Yeah, nice description. Thanks Copilot. So expect sum all 1, 2, 3, 4 to be 10. Alright, this is the automatic test. Let's move to the settings. So if we get here in the PM run test, you guys are going to see nothing will happen, right? So okay, we need to configure that. So we are going to come here and Jest. Okay, so before we move that, we need to configure TypeScript. So yeah, let's proceed with that. ynpx tsc init. Oh, right. I'm sorry. Ha! I'm jumping some steps. It's after midnight here. I'm very sleepy right now. We need to do that. So let's do the other part first. So here we are going to create a new file called init husky.js. Why I like to do that? This helps all the environments to be easily configured. So we are going to use a postinstall to call this file, and this file will make the magic work. So import exec sync from child process import exists sync from fs if exists sync dot husky. Ponto is dot in Portuguese, right? Okay, if doesn't exist, we are going to console. Yes, and npx is not installed anymore. Copilot is, crazy. Just kidding. Yeah, it's in it right now. And if the file already exists, console Husky is already initialized, and we are going to get here, and we're going to post install it and node init husky.js. So okay, the two are configured. Let's install the packages in npm lsd. Let me get a list of the packages we are going to use, because there's a lot of packages to memorize. So Jest globals, Jest, oh sorry, it's not comma, Jest types, Jest Husky, GT, TS, Jest TypeScript, ESLint JS, TypeScript, ESLint, ESLint plugin, TypeScript, yeah, correct, ESLint parser, ESLint globals, and TypeScript, ESLint. Okay. While it installs, let's get back a little bit. No, let's wait. We are going to back a little bit to guys understand why I did the automatic test first. So yeah, okay. Let me see if I have some bug on the file. No, yeah. Here we are. Well, let's get back a little bit. So we created the automatic test first. It is a TDD, or test-driven design. What is a key? It is not just a design pattern, but also needs to be a culture in the company. And you doing the automatic test first, running it, and after that, you move to create a code, and then you improve automatic test, run, improve the code, run, and etc. It guarantees you are going to be as close as possible of 100% of coverage on automatic tests. It'll make your software more secure and reliable. So go ahead and use test-driven design. It's very good for your business and for your development pattern, right? So we've all configured, we've all installed it. we need to configure it, right? So here I know we need to change some stuff, so we are going to use common Jest and ES 2021, and here we are going to need to remove one guy here, this one, and we are need to add two guys here, the yes module interrupt true and resolve JSON module true, right? Now let's move forward and configure it the Jest ts npx ts jest config init, right? Okay, here he's using a wrong method for modules, so what do we need to do? Import create default ESM preset. We remove this one, we copy this one, and we paste here. We need to add one more stuff here. That okay. Test path ignore pattern. That's node modules and Husky. Okay, we don't want to test this, guys. Husky doesn't have any test, but we don't want to test anything inside of Husky, so we are ignoring that. All right. So here we're going to run the test for the first time. As expected, it fails because somehow a math operation doesn't exist. So let's move and create the file math operations.ts. And yes, test during pattern, you need to run the test even you knowing that the test will fail. This is the principle that makes you guarantee the closest possible of 100% coverage, right? So let's create here really simple methods. Export const somehow is equal numbers number. Okay, no, we don't want that. We want numbers dot. Ponto is equal dot in Portuguese. I'm sorry, I'm Brazilian. Sometimes it's stronger than me. So reduce accumulator and current. Okay, and we see accumulator plus current and initial value 0. All right. Okay, let's run the test here. Yes, our simple schema are working. I don't know, sometimes this bug and you rewrite and fix that. I don't know, it's very crazy sometimes. So now let's move to Husky. We don't want a pre-commit, we want a pre-push, alright? Before push. So we don't want a simple thing here. We're going to move and use user bin and sh, alright? So we're going to use shell script here, and we are going to do equal running push checks. So equal running all automatic test. Yes, and then we are going to do npm run test. And here we are going to set EO pipe fail. What does this mean, Anderson? If something here fails, the push will not happen. You know, if something here fails, the push will not happen. Okay, so let's move forward. Equal all checks passed, proceeding with push. Okay. Okay, so all good. Let's do our first push. So git add each commit. Let's add a comment. Let's see, Husky tutorial with simple function and test. Okay, and git push. Pre-push, script fail, code 2. Let me see, illegal option. Oh, it's not EO, let me think here. It's EU, I'm sorry. Let's move forward. You see, the automatic test happened, passed, so it guarantees that the push will happen. But let's not stop here. Let's make one failing. Let's see. So all checks passed. No. Automatic tests passed. Starting lint. Linting. Yeah, a good one. npm run lint. And equal lint passed pre-push checks completed successfully and equal proceeding with push. Okay. Yeah, you see the messages I put in the echo shows here and helps people to understand what is happening. So let's move forward with that. Let's configure our npx ESLint init. All right. We are using JavaScript here. We want both. We want modules. We are not using Vue or React. We are using TypeScript. We are using Node and TypeScript. And yes, let them install with npm because we want simple stuffs here, right? Oh yes, let's organize our ESLint file. Okay. And okay. And here we are going to add ignores. So, sorry, not this one, ignores. We want to ignore node modules, and we are not having this, so, but if you have, it's good to ignore, but we are not going to have this, it's just a tutorial, right? And we want to ignore Husky as well. And that's it. We are going to add here in the package.json the lint. Yes, lint. Yes, okay. So npm run lint. No problem. Okay. If I push right now, we'll push on the repository. You see, if we come here, do an refresh, we see that the first commit is here. Let's create a problem for lint, right? Let's get here and come here and do const test equal. We didn't use this variable, so lint will highlight it and stop the push. Let's see if it really happens. Okay, so each add, each commit implemented lint plus lint on Husky app. All right, and git push. Let's see what happens. You see, didn't send the commit. Let's confirm that. You see, the commit is not here. So I want the commit to be pushed. I came here, I saved this one, and I do git add. I amend my commit. I don't want to create a not commit. Okay, and I do git push. Let's see what happens. All good. The commit's here right now. And this is the beauty of Husky. It's incredible tool. If you guys like it, if you guys like of this kind of content, please let me know. Comment here. You know, it's very important to understand your opinions. Maybe you guys have questions, go ahead. I will try to answer every question that I can. If you guys enjoyed it, like this video, share with your friends. be my guest to share to everyone, right? So that's it for today. Anderson Arruda here, and see you guys around.